Kita akan lanjut hari ini yang presenter kelima itu Bu Zakiyah. Ini pasti deg-degannya masih berlanjut ini. Bu Zakiyah,
Bu Zakiyah minum dulu.
observernya Bu Andin, kemudian nanti dibantu untuk menjadi timekeeper-nya Bu Jano. Oke. Silahkan Bu Zakiyah bisa. Oh, diceritakan dulu mungkin sedikit nganunya ya Bu. Background kelasnya seperti apa? Walaupun kayaknya sudah ada ya di. Coba saya buka lagi. Scroll dulu. Gimana, Nak?
Terima kasih Bapak Ibu. Background kelas hari ini adalah sebagian siswa. They fluent in speaking English, but some of the students are low. Now on, I'm going to start. Peer teaching is about the lesson plan is about the fact and opinion. Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
How is your day?
It's great.
Great. Mbak Handa. Mbak Janu. Are you better today?
Yes,
Are you
I'm feeling well today.
Oh, okay.
Amen.
Okay, for starting the lesson, I'm going to check your presence.
Okay.
Anding Yulistinanda, are you here?
Yes, present.
Okay. Fatma, where are you? Fatma?
It's me, Mom. I'm here.
Are you okay, Fatma? You look so pale today.
More better than yesterday.
Oh, better than yesterday. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Ika Sari Puspita.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Wow, you look so happy, Ika. Okay.
I always happy, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Now on, I'm going to check whether you are ready or not for start lesson today. I know that is on the middle of the day. Maybe some of you feel sleepy or tired because of the lesson before. Now, I'm going to check when I say, are you ready, kids? Please say, I, miss, or I, ma'am.
I, Captain.
Yes. That's what I mean. That's good. To make sure you need to prepare your dictionary, your flashcard in activity on speaking in class, then your stuff. But save your phone before on your bag. Later we are going, but not now. Okay. Now, are you ready, kids?
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, I think Mbak Handa still sleepy. Mbak Handa.
Hello, yes.
Okay, let's repeat again. Are you ready, kids? I. Okay, thank you.
Me.
Okay.
I.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to. Okay. Today we are going about fact and opinion. Nah, pay attention to this picture.
Wow, it looks delicious.
Do you see? Delicious. What else?
I like that. I like
Yummy.
it. I want to eat.
I like meat.
Make me so hungry again, ma'am.
What?
Make me so hungry again.
Sorry, that's my mistake to question about the meals in the middle of the day. Okay, now this is fact and opinion sentences. The upper one as I hear from Mbak Lisma, she said that it is look delicious and it means opinion. Nah, the fact atau faktanya ini adalah this food is hot. Nah, nanti kita bahas. Sebelumnya, in the end of this lesson, I hope the student can differentiate which sentence is opinion and which sentence is a fact. Then the students are able to make sentence about the environment in this school, about based on opinion and fact that available in the environment. Now on, I'm going to explain about fact or opinion. Fact is a true statement atau pendapat yang bukan pendapat, kalimat sebenarnya. Seperti tadi kalau kita lihat gambar makanan panas. Nah, this food is hot. Berarti itu adalah panas. The next, some facts never change, but also some facts can change. Nah, Singapore is a country. This is a fact or opinion?
Fact.
Fact.
Fact. Okay, good. How about this one?
Opinion.
Opinion.
The second sentence is opinion. Okay, I'm going to explain. An opinion is a statement that tells what someone thinks. It usually begins with some words. For I think, I believe, in my opinion, I'm sure. Nah, biasanya itu lebih ke personal point of view. Nah, selanjutnya some opinion can change. Nah, now on, I'm going to ask you, decide whether this is opinion or fact. Can you tell me if the following statements are fact or opinion? Okay, oh sorry. Fatma, can you read this sentence?
Yes. Every year except leap year has 365 days.
This is fact or opinion?
Fact.
Are you sure? How about other students?
Miss, I can see the answer.
I need to make it a secret, I think, yeah? Okay, let us check. Okay, that's true, this is fact. Okay, Lisma, what do you think about this picture? There is a sentence.
Which one is it? It is still the same with the first one.
Oh, sorry, wait. Nah, how about this one?
Fact.
How can you say this is a fact?
Because
Fact.
it doesn't contain any words like I think, in my opinion, and mine or indeed type of thing.
Okay, that's good. Let us check. Okay, that's true. This is a fact. Mbak Andin.
Kalau kemarin ketemu satu
Mbak
kali.
Andin. Okay, Mbak Andin, are you here?
Yes,
Okay,
I am
what do you think
here.
about this picture, Mbak Andin?
Oh, enggak ada uang. Lalangin dulu.
I'm thinking it's nice. The temperature outside is 20 degrees.
Okay. This is true or fact? Opinion or fact? Sorry.
It's a fact.
It's a fact. Let us prove it. Okay, that's true. Now all, siapa yang lebih dulu menjawab? Okay, this is fact or opinion? Are you sure? Any other opinion? Any other answer?
The type of the sentence is a fact, but
The type of the sentence.
yeah, the type of the sentence is a fact, but in reality, it can be an opinion.
Okay. Any other
Opinion,
answer?
Miss.
Opinion.
Smartphones are the best invention ever. Kalau nggak ada itu.
Okay, according Mbak Cecil, the best invention it can be smartphone. Okay. Let us check. Nah, that's opinion. Opinion is point of view. Remember, opinion is point of view or from someone. From this picture, we know the person said that computer are the best invention ever. But we can menyanggah atau menolak pendapat tersebut dengan mengatakan the best invention is smartphone. Okay. Let us check again. Oh. How about this one? Jidan?
Fact.
Kenapa?
Okay, because all we know that soccer and tennis are both sports.
Nah,
Okay. Any questions so far?
clear, ma'am.
Okay. Please. Come on.
I have no question, ma'am.
No more
So
question.
you have no question?
Ma'am Zakia, I have a question.
Come on, please, Mbak Lisma.
So opinion sentence, it doesn't have to contain a word or phrase in my opinion or in my point of view or I think.
Oh,
I mean,
the
as long
sentence
as how can I say it? As long as we can membantah that sentence, it can be an opinion.
Oh, of course, like this. Opinion, it can be someone's, as I said, someone's point of view. Kemudian, apa tadi? Kalimatnya bisa menggunakan I should, begin with I should, I think, what is?
I suppose.
My opinion, in my opinion.
In my
suppose.
Opinion.
Ya. Bagaimana Mbak Lisma
Berarti
tadi
kalimat
pertanyaannya?
opini itu tidak harus ada itunya ya, Mem. Maksudnya tanpa ada frasa itu pun kalau misalnya
Oh, iya.
ya,
Debatable.
debatable berarti dia opini.
Selama itu tidak it can be proven, ya tidak bisa dibuktikan, tidak ada data-data, dan itu bisa dikatakan opini.
Oke, Mem. Thank you.
Okay, now on, I would like to. Okay, wait for a while. Now on, please open your Classroom, Google Classroom, and access the link, live worksheet, and do the task over there. You need to decide which is statement as a fact or an opinion. Type F or O on your paper, on the first paper, and then on the card B, just decide if each sentence is a fact or an opinion. I'm going to give you around 10 minutes to finish the task. Okay, students, there is 1 minute more. Mbak Fatma, have you finished?
Not yet.
Okay. Any difficulties? No,
ma'am.
No. Just on the process.
Okay,
ma'am.
don't forget to send, if you have finished, send your answer to my email, and I'm going to check it.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Okay, now on. You have finished your task. Balisma, have you finished?
Not yet, Miss. Still on the way.
Still on the way. Mohon
Finish,
maaf,
ma'am.
ini benar dikerjain kah Bapak Ibu? Enggak, oke. Oke.
Ambil ada yang cuci kakinya sih, Pak.
Apakah LKPD yang saya tampilkan ini terlihat?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. How about let us discuss about that you have finished now?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. How number one? Who
Me.
wants to read? Okay, go ahead. Basil.
Okay.
Number 2, Miss.
Yes.
There are 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and
So-
fall. Fact.
Fact.
Jadi tulis F.
F. Okay. That's good. Next.
Summer is the best.
Sayang AB tuh, Miss.
Satu A aja bagi-bagi.
Oke, 2A.
Satu B dulu.
1A. 1B.
Lisma tadi. Mbak Lisma tadi.
One day, I
me.
think chocolate ice cream tastes better than vanilla. I think this is opinion because this is on your
Oke.
personal.
In order ya,
That's
order ya.
taktika.
Satu B tadi sudah dikoreksi belum?
Oke, 2B.
Belum. Satu B, Mbak Lisma.
Satu B tadi. Mbak Lisma tadi
Me.
jawabannya apa?
Opinion.
That's good.
Oke, 2B.
No. 2A.
Chocolate ice cream tastes better than vanilla ice cream. It is
No, it's already.
Mas Loto.
2A. Ice cream is made from
oh,
Chocolate,
How
not
to say?
chocolate ya. Chocolate.
chocolate.
Be patient, be
Ah.
patient.
Can you repeat?
Chocolate.
Ah iya. Coklat.
Chocolate.
Chocolatos.
Chocolates ya. Chocolate ice cream tastes better
This
than.
is apa?
This is only opinion.
Because which one?
Yeah, because vanilla is very what is called vanilla?
Yummy.
Okay,
Mas
that
Loto.
vanilla
Ah,
is
yeah.
better. Okay.
Yeah, vanilla is
Who
better.
to A?
Me.
Okay, come on.
Ice cream is made from milk, cream, and
Yeah.
sugar. Itu is fact.
Okay, this
Yeah.
right. Have you ever made ice cream?
No. Not
Not yet.
yet.
Maybe you read the composition,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. Okay. Thanks for your attention. Now we are going to the next step
Always
in
like it.
our lesson. Okay, I have set you the second LKPD. Now, based on sorry, not yet. I'm going to show you about, wait, I'm going to show you about the materials. Oh, videonya kok nggak nampak ya? Wait.
Pakai
Seluruh layar atau tab, Bu, ya?
Bentar, ya.
Seluruh layar.
Pakai iya.
Oh.
A tab, pakai a tab, Mbak.
Oh,
Kalau
iya.
video.
Cancel. Sorry, adminnya terkait. Okay, this one. Okay, pay attention to this video, getting information as much as you can about the opinion and the facts.
Suaranya kecil, Bu.
Oh, sorry.
Fact. The elephant is larger.
It's fact.
Fact.
You verify.
Okay, jawab.
You make sure that something is correct.
Apakah cukup jelas?
Verify information.
Cukup, Ibu.
Jelas ya?
Yes.
Books in the
Iya, Bu.
searching on the internet, or you can ask an expert. Let's look at two sources to verify if elephants are the largest animal on the earth. This book says that the blue whale is the largest animal on the earth. And so does this website. Be sure to look at different sources that help you verify information. A source is someone or something that provides information such as a book, a newspaper, or a website. Now, what is an opinion? An opinion is a belief that someone has about someone or something. Opinions can describe what someone thinks, feels, or believes. It can share a person's or group's point of view. You can choose to agree or disagree with an opinion. While facts can be proven to be true or false, opinions cannot be proven. Here is an example of an opinion. Jack thinks that snakes are great pets because they are his favorite type of animal. This is Jack's opinion. But Jill does not agree with that opinion. Jill thinks snakes are scary. That is also an opinion. So this means that Jack and Jill disagree about snakes. How can you tell the difference between a fact and an opinion? Now remember, we already said that a fact is a true statement. If I were to say that George Washington was the first president of the United States, you can easily prove this statement is true by looking at a few sources. But opinions don't work like that. Take a look at this next statement. Ghost stories are scary. Is this a fact or an opinion? Well, not everyone would agree that ghost stories are scary. So this is not a true statement. It's an opinion. How do I create an opinion? There are some words that you can notice as you listen or read to help you understand how a person feels about someone or something. You can also use these words to create a statement about how you feel about someone or something. These words are I think, I believe, I feel, favorite, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, and boring, exciting. These are only a few examples. How can you share an opinion? When you share an opinion, be sure to explain why you feel the way you do. If you don't give reasons to support your opinion, then people will understand why you feel that way. When you share opinions, try to support them with facts.
Mohon maaf Bu Zakiah, ini masih setengah jalan ya kayaknya. Can we skip the video maybe?
Okay. Okay. Wait nih. Stop sharing. Okay. Okay, from the video, do you get any information?
Yes, of course, yes.
Of course,
Okay.
yes.
Do you want to explain to your friend maybe a little information that you have got?
Yeah. Fact based on the science, opinion based on our describe about something. We feel about something. Something like
Yeah.
bad, words, good, excellent. It is opinion.
Okay. Any other opinion? Any other answer?
Kalau bahasa Indonesia boleh nggak, Miss,
Okay, that's
menjelaskannya?
okay. As long as we know the meaning.
Oh, tadi katanya di video kalau yang satu setuju, yang satunya nggak setuju, nah itu opinion. Tapi kalau semua orang setuju, itu yang fakta, gitu
Iya, karena
kayaknya.
kalau fakta sulit dibantah. Misal nih, 17 Agustus kemerdekaan Indonesia itu 17 Agustus 1945. Itu kan nggak boleh dibantah ya. Okay, because I think you know what is fact and opinion. We are going to the next is okay, pay attention to the LKPD that I have shared to you. All of students, siapa yang belum dapat kertasnya? Yang sudah saya bagikan, sudah semua?
Semua.
Ya, sudah semua.
From the number 1, write 10 sentences on a topic of your school environment that consists of 5 facts, sentences, and 5 your opinions. You can find idea based on one of this topic. The first one, we have just celebrate Independence Day, right? Okay, you can find the fact or opinions about the celebrating Independence Day. Kemudian disciplinary policies. And C, students should not bring mobile phone to school. Then choose your own topic, but still based on the school environment. Any questions so far?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am Zakia, do we choose one topic or we can write on all topics?
One topic only.
So 10 sentences, one topic. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. You can write opinion on the yellow card and fact on the green one. Okay. I will give you 15 minutes. Okay, class. Time is up.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Mbak Fatma, please submit the task from the students. Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Ya, Miss, sudah dikumpul semua.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now on. Do you get any difficulties in to differentiate which one is fact and opinion?
No.
It's clear enough? All the explanation from... Okay, thank you.
Yes, very clear.
Which part of our lesson, which part of activity that you love?
The fact and opinion at the first activity.
The first part that you
The
saw
ice-
about the
the-
sum of features, and
The
then
chocolate.
Chocolate.
Okay, we are going.
chocolate first.
It's not chocolato, ya? Not
Chocolato.
chocolato, but okay. The sentences. Okay, for the next meeting, we are still talking about fact and opinion. Your sentences today we are gonna make a dialogue based on what you have done today. Thanks for your attention. See you next week. You have a great day.
Okay, see you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Miss
ma'am. See
Zaki.
you.
Ya.
Have a nice day.
Close. Layar ditutup.
Iya. Oke. Iya, well done Bu Zakia. Kayaknya deg-degannya
Kurang
sudah
ini.
berangsur-angsur.
Alhamdulillah.
Oke, setelah ini kita akan mendengarkan review dulu dari observer dari Bu Zakia, Bu Andin. Monggo Bu Andin.
Iya, terima kasih atas waktunya Bu Cecil. Saya cek dari pendahuluannya, greetingnya, cek presence list-nya, cek kesiapan, rules, sama goals-nya sudah tersampaikan kalau saya rasa. Jadi saya mengikuti karena tadi ada yel-yel ai itu ya. Jadi fokuslah siswanya. Kemudian masuk ke inti penjelasannya. Kalau menurut saya mudah, bagus, efisien, terus efektif. Lalu karena bentukannya seperti itu jadi engaging ya. Jadi mengundang anak untuk belajar gitu. Karena kosakatanya mudah. Terus nah, waktu pemutaran video aja nanti kalau menurut saya sih saran saya juga. Tapi pembelajaran juga buat saya karena saya juga pakai video. Nanti ketika putar video itu kan ada penekanan-penekanan. Kebetulan kan tadi Bu Zakia bilang kalau ada anak yang lower ya, banyak anak yang lower ya. Nah, jadi nanti sambil memberikan penekanan dari video itu lagi, menguatkan statement video aja karena kan statement videonya pakai bahasa Inggris kan ya gitu. Siapa tahu ada yang anak-anak ada yang miss gitu, ada yang lupa gitu tadi penjelasannya apa. Terus tadi sempat refleksi mana yang bagus, mana yang sulit, dan yang diingat itu coklat gitu. Iya, berarti kan secara tidak langsung pembelajaran itu lengket gitu ya. Kemudian di penutupnya juga oke. Kalau menurut saya media pembelajaran Ibu efektif dan mendukung gitu. Pembelajaran buat saya bahwa seperti ini gitu, media yang benar-benar membantu guru memfasilitasi siswanya. Berarti pengimplementasi TPAC-nya oke, begitu.
Thank you, Bu.
Dan Bu.
Oke. Iya, terima kasih Bu Andin. Setuju kalau TPAC Bu Zakia itu sudah excellent. Live worksheet ada, LKPD-nya menarik. Kita akan bergeser ke Sofi, monggo.
Masalahnya berlanjut. Masalahnya berlanjut. Ini sebelum saya ke Bu Zakia, saya I appreciate yang Bu Andin tadi bisa dari observasinya bisa mendapatkan lesson learn ya dari mengobservasi Bu Zakia tadi. I like that Bu Andin. Dan itulah gunanya kita diskusi ya, saling belajar dari peer, dari sesama kita. Bu Zakia, iya mungkin ini kalau dari kekuatan Ibu melanjutkan atau masih terkait dengan Bu Andin dan yang Bu Cecil tadi sampaikan, memang tampaknya kekuatan Bu Zakia itu di di pemanfaatan media dan media yang berbasis TikTok gitu. Dan mungkin memang memang inilah semesta sudah mengatur. Kalau bahasa kerennya ya. Bu Zakia ditaruh di tempat yang mungkin tidak di Jogja, seperti Bu Cecil, seperti kita ya Bu Cecil, karena Bu Zakia itu memang ditaruh di sana dengan segala keterbatasannya, karena Bu Zakia punya kekuatan, kemampuan untuk bisa memperkenalkan teknologi dengan dengan smooth kepada anak-anak di sana. Semangat Bu Zakia ya. Ya, mungkin karena inilah inilah zonanya Bu Zakia gitu ya. Jadi dari PPT-nya tadi di awal itu tampak sudah efektif ya. Maksudnya, saya pikir ketika lihat PPT-nya Bu Zakia ini khasnya ya, mungkin karena Bu Zakia melek tadi ya, Google manajemennya, sorry, tentang isu-isu itu saya sudah mulai. Ini kalau kayak apa ya, kalau misalnya ngikutin presentasi yang model interaktif gitu ya, itu banyak gambarnya kayak gitu, terus nanti ada pertanyaan yang itu, jadi visualnya yang lebih banyak, terus nggak banyak apa namanya, nggak banyak narasi-narasi dan sebagainya. Sangat efektif untuk membangun komunikasi antara presenter dengan audiensnya gitu. Nah, Bu Zakia did that dengan tadi di awal itu sudah mempresentasikan slide-slide yang isinya gambar-gambar. Kebetulan pas momennya, momennya pas lapar, sehingga itu sangat meaningful. Bahkan yang lebih tertinggal bukan materinya ya Pak Loto, tapi the Chocomelon, the Chocoloto. What is the color of the cabinet, the cupboard? I do not know what it is called. Behind you, Pak Loto, namanya apa? Is it chocolate? kayak siswa kelas itu ya, sampai kelas 1. I love chocolate, maksudnya itu warna coklat. I love chocolate and pink. Itu mikir chocolate and pink. Ternyata warna coklat dan warna pink. Sama aja kalau bahasa Indonesia kan brown coklat ya Bapak Ibu. Coklat ya coklat, brown ya coklat. Jadi maksudnya siswa bingung kadang-kadang. I love pink, I like pink and chocolate. Warna kok jadi coklat? Ternyata maksudnya warna coklat. Oke. Kok pada serius semua ya? Nggak ada yang ketawa. Iya, itu Ibu Zakia. Jadi termasuk ya tadi sepakat dengan Bu Andin. Inilah salah satu cara untuk kita bisa memanage kekuatan kita. Jadi kekuatan kita itu, kekuatan Bu Zakia itu di situ ya, di media, lalu terutama yang isu-isunya dengan teknologi, Bu Zakia maksimalkan hari ini di peer teaching gitu. Mungkin kalau di RPP kemarin masih membuat proses ya, berproses ya Bu Zakia ya. Tapi ketika peer teaching hari ini, Bu Zakia sudah bisa mengefektifkan kekuatan Bu Zakia dengan maksimal di sini, sehingga kita tidak melihat redeknya Bu Zakia, kita tidak melihat mungkin Bu Zakia mungkin merasa kurang nyaman ketika harus berbicara pakai bahasa Inggris karena sehari-hari dengan anak-anak mungkin lebih banyak gado-gado bahasanya gitu ya. Nah, itu kita tidak melihat itu, maksudnya fokus kita tidak ke sana gitu. Jadi itulah the magic of media ya. Sangat bisa kita kelola dan itu 100% under our control untuk bisa kita maksimalkan. Dan anak-anak justru akan lebih engaged. Mereka akan lebih enjoy the learning moment karena medianya engaging. Bukan hanya engaging, atraktif. Bapak Ibu. Jadi itu lesson yang bisa kita dapatkan bersama hari ini bahwa media itu yang dulu saya katakan itu 100% di bawah kontrol kita, kontrol guru. Media, materi, metode itu 100% di bawah kontrol kita. Perpras mungkin kita nggak 100% bisa mengendalikan. Apalagi ya yang nggak bisa mengendalikan itu. Pokoknya yang faktor-faktor di luar kendali guru. Tapi kalau di dalam kendali guru ini 100% bisa kita maksimalkan semaksimal mungkin. Nah, ini salah satunya yang Bu Zakia tadi, sehingga bisa mengalihkan fokus nervousness dari Bu Zakia tidak tampak. Kemudian saya kan Bu Zakia mungkin masih struggling dengan aduh ini aku ngomong bener enggak ya pakai bahasa Inggris gitu ya. Itu jadi tidak maksudnya tidak ke sana anu kita gitu. Karena Bapak Ibu di sini malah tadi menikmati sebagai murid gitu ya, karena medianya bisa Ibu Zakia kelola dengan sedemikian rupa. Jadi itu saja sih Bapak Ibu, kalau secara pembukaan Bu Zakia sudah membuka dengan smooth. Kalau secara ini saya tidak melihat kalau ini saya tidak membuka RPP Bapak Ibu, jadi pure saya melihat dari performance Bapak Ibu saja ya, selama peer teaching ini, sehingga pure dari performance Bapak Ibu saja. Dari LKPD-nya tadi juga secara isi tampaknya saya tadi nggak terlalu fokus ke isi sih, belum terlalu fokus yang sampai ke konten. Cuma kalau secara presentasi dalam arti sudah pakai live worksheet, kemudian juga menarik warna-warnanya, itu sudah cukup efektif. So that's my opinion. Itu fact atau opinion Bapak Ibu? Oke, udah berapa ratus menit ini saya Bu?